All right, guys, here to Committee Hills. We've got this Kenworth T800. Gonna give you a quick little walk around video. It's got the Detroit 60 series transmission, or excuse me, 60 series motor in it, guys. Seems to run really good. And then it's got a 13 speed behind it. It's got a drop axle. It does work on this truck. The hoist works as well. Running 22.5s. Air ride suspension in the back. Showing to have 489 on the miles. I don't see an hour meter, do you? No current hour meter, but all the gauges actually seem to be working okay. Give it some gas. See if the low pressure gauge working okay. Does have diff lock as well. Drop axle and all the other components. Go ahead and have you go forward and backwards and such. Okay. We'll have him do a quick little drive test here, guys. Shifts to the gears really good, actually very smooth. I drove the truck and it really grabbed pretty well on those gears. Again, you got a manual to play with, so you don't have all the issues with the automatics. All right, guys, as you can see, it does hold pressure through all the gears. He was able to run. We'll show you the hoist works real quickly as well. And drop axle. Hey, put your hoist up real quick. And then drop your axle as well. We'll show it all works. Drop your axle real quick. Okay, you can see the axle's dropping as it's supposed to as well. Okay, lift is working well. Got a 3 or 4 stage lift. So it's got a 3-stage lift, guys. It does have a hole there in the bottom of the box. Got a little gravel left over. Tarp system. Not sure the tarp works as far as being hooked up currently, but okay, you're good. You can put it up. Oh, 4-stage lift, guys. Got a 4-stage lift. Yeah, 4-stage lift, guys, on that box. Electric tarp system, 3rd drop axle, Detroit 60 series. 13-speed transmission, 22.5 on the tires. Pretty decent truck, guys. So if you're interested in this machine, got any questions, please give us a call, 972-666-9501. From what we can tell, looks like a pretty decent truck, guys. And it was in working service. And if it's not currently DOT inspected, I don't think it would take a whole lot to get there. But there may be some things that need to get worked out on it. But there you have it, guys. Nice little Kenworth T600. Thank you.